Yo guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we'll be talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11 systems out in the whole wide world of tropics right now. And to be honest, I've heard that there will be a system in the next few weeks or in a week in the southern Indian Ocean too. I think one might actually become a cyclone. You know, then you got because we could see Anna form, and maybe Batzii, but Paddy forms in the east, in the Atlantic as well. So no, not in the Atlantic, in the thingy. What do you call it? I don't know. Anyway, our most important thing is that's affecting land right now are these disturbances here. This disturbance still has a 20% chance of formation in the next 5 days. It doesn't look that good. This system has a 60% chance. It was a 70% chance yesterday, actually. Don't know why they downgraded it for. This one could become Tropical Storm Fred, and we could have Grace, Henry, and Ida in a few weeks. So the Atlantic's actually getting quite active now, to be honest with you. And I'll show you some models. There's another system out in the tropics again now. It has a 20% chance of formation in the southeast of the Gulf of Tibet. Tibet. So yeah, that should form. I don't know if it will not, but yeah, we just have to wait and see. Models aren't picking up at this storm at the minute, but yeah. Sorry if you heard the beeping noise, by the way, guys. That was just my speaker, which is yeah. Anyway, this invest could have a chance of forming just right at the edge of the international date line, which might get named Hone. And if it does, it will move into the West Pack and actually might do something, but I do not think this will become Hone, to be honest. It looks good, though, to be on satellite imagery, to be honest. It does look really good, but not as good as like some systems were back in like 2015, 1997, 1998. No, well, 1998 was a I mean, like when I say a very weak La Nina, it was a very weak La Nina, or unless it was a a very strong La Nina. Can unfavour the Atlantic. Same with a very strong El Nino, but a weak La Nina to cool bias neutral to a weak to moderate La Nina can actually favour the Atlantic. So as you can see here, we got Jimena, which is a tropical storm right now. Barely hanging on to tropical storm characteristics. Next advisory is going to be a tropical depression. They said this storm was only going to last 2 days. It lasted nearly 3 days. So, yeah, and still be alive by Sunday. So, yeah, and Hilda's just dead right now. Will only be alive until 5 PM tomorrow. Hilda's way far up north in the cool sea surface temperatures right now. So, yeah, I'll quickly show you the models, and then I'm gonna, end the video here because I've got things to do and all that. I'm a very busy person. And anyway, guys, thank you for 30 subscribers, by the way. Appreciate it. So this is see, look, there's an area of vorticity there, vorticity there, vorticity there. They compete. These areas of vorticity here compete with one another. So this one does actually form 1009, 1006, weakens. Weakens, but actually it does form near Bermuda. Again. Well, that was the model that was showing it yesterday, forming near Bermuda again. Yeah, there. See, we could see a subtropical storm by the 22nd of August. So, yeah. And actually find we're still no majors though, but majors could come towards the end. You don't really know, right? We were surprised that Laura. Most of the models are saying for Hurricane Laura, which was last year, the Icon model and the GFS model were the only two models that were making it a Category 3 and higher. And it became a Category 4. Almost a Category 5. So, yeah, anyway, I'm going to show you the satellite imagery. Jemima doesn't really look that good. Invest 92L, I'll show you. There you go. Is Invest 92L, and it doesn't really look as good as I thought it would have been, but yeah. So anyway, I will leave. I will leave the video here for now, and I'll be back tomorrow for another update. Don't know what time it will be. Yeah, I know this video might be coming out earlier than it did last night. But yeah. Anyway, hope you are all well. Don't forget to stay safe. Thank you for 30 subscribers, and stay safe in the next storm. Peace, and have a great day.